Morning students, welcome back to your online classes. In the previous week, we have completed unit test exam and internal assessment. Now it's a time to learn a new chapter, parts and wholes. First, let us see what is meant by whole. Whole is a full things. Here you can see a cake, full cake. We can say it's a whole cake. In case if we cut this cake in the middle, you will get half, that is 1 by 2. Again, if you cut, we will get a small piece, that is quarter 1 by 4. If you remove that quarter from the whole cake, you will get 3 quarters, 3 by 4. This 3 quarters, half and quarter are called as parts. This full cake we can say is a whole. From the whole we can divide into small pieces are called parts, half, quarter and 3 quarters. Now, whole, it represents a full object or a full figure. We can say any full things as a whole. Next, parts. A small portion of any closed figure is called its parts. When we are dividing or cutting a whole things into small pieces or small portions, we can call it as parts. I repeat, whole is a full things and parts is a small pieces or small portions of that whole things. Now, we are going to see some parts. In the first rectangle, we are having 4 parts, 4 equal parts. And then I have colored 2 rectangles, that is 2 small parts in green. So the total is 4, green color is 2. In total 4, half is 2. So we can say 1 by 2 equal to half. Next one, having 4 rectangle, that is 4 parts with 1 green color. So total 4, 1 is green. So we can write 1 by 4, that is quarter. Next one, total 6 parts, green color 3. So we can write 6 total and 3, that is 3 by 6. In the names we can say 3 sixth. 3 sixth. Next one, total parts 3 and green colored 1. So 1 by total 3 parts. In the names 1 third. 1 third. Next, here you can see 5 equal parts with 3 green colored. Total is 5 and colored 3. So we can say 3 by 5, that is 3 fifth. 3 fifth. Next, in the total circle, we can see 4 equal parts with 3 green colored. Total 4 and 3 as colored green. So 3 by 4, that is 3 fourth. Also we can say 3 quarter. Total 4, first one 2 green color, that is total 4, 2 colored green, that is half of total pieces, 1 by 2. Next one, total 4, 1 green colored, 1 by 4 quarter. Third one, total 6. 3 green colored. 3 by 6, 3 sixth. 1 third. Total 3, 1 colored as green. Next, 5 total, 3 colored, 3 fifth. In the last 4 quarter, colored 3, that is 3 by 4, 3 fourth, and also we can say 3 quarter. These are the example for pots. Next one, our flag, our India flag. We all know that India flag have 3 color, saffron at the top, green at the bottom. In the middle, we will have pure white with Asoka Chakra in the middle. In that Asoka Chakra, we will have 24 lines. First one, top saffron. In some flag, we can see orange color. Total 3, saffron colored 1. So, we can write 1 by 3. Likewise, bottom green also covered 1 out of 3. So, 1 by 3. Middle white less than 1 by 3. Why? Yes, in the white we are having Asoka Chakra in the middle. So, this is less than 1 by 3. Saffron at the top and with pots 1 by 3. Likewise, bottom green also 1 by 3. But only white which is less than 1 by 3 as having Asoka Chakra blue color in the middle. Next, example, flag of Afghanistan. Flag of Afghanistan. Here also we are having 3 color, black, red and green. We can easily find black, total 3, black color is 1, so 1 by 3, green also 1 by 3, middle red color which is 1 by 3 or not? No, because the symbol in the middle, so that red color is less than 1 by 3. Black 1 by 3, that is total 3, black color is 1. 1 by 3, green also 1 by 3, red less than 1 by 3 because it having symbol in the middle. Next example, flag of Myanmar. Here we can see 3 colors, red, blue and symbol in the white color. We can easily see red color is more than 3 quarter. Red color more than 3 quarter. Is obviously more than 3 quarter means remaining blue less than 1 quarter. And also it having symbol in the middle. Red is more than 3 quarter, so that blue it must be less than 1 by 4. Also it having symbol in the middle. These are the example of pots and holes. Here you are having homework. Draw a figure for the given pots. You can use any shapes and draw 4 by 6, 3 by 8, 5 by 7 and 1 by 4. One more homework. Draw a flag for your Maths Club. If you are a member in a Maths Club, how will you design your Maths Club flag? You have to design a flag for your Maths Club. Submit this homework before today evening. This is your activity. Collect any 5 flag, paste it in a A4 sheet. Write its parts. you have to collect any 5 flags and paste it in a A4 sheet and then write down its parts. Submit this activity on next Monday. Today, you have to submit your homework alone by today evening. This activity you can take 1 week and submit it on next Monday. Thank you, students.